What is hospitality? Is it things? Is it places? Hospitality is more than your product. It is a feeling of an unparalleled experience created only for you, and impeccable service through your people ultimately defines hospitality. It's in the details of your presentation, the anticipation and attentiveness to guest needs. People create this experience. Over 7 billion people in the world, more than 3 billion workers. How do you identify one out of many? That's what we do. At Talent Plus, we know people. Through our scientific methodology and more than 60 years of research in the study of human potential, we have carefully designed assessments that predict someone's detail orientation level, whether they naturally smile at guests, and were born with service in their hearts. In short, we predict success by helping you select people who have the greatest potential to consistently deliver a luxury experience time and time again. Talent Plus is partnered with global luxury brands, helping them to select exceptional people who deliver unparalleled experiences. So, what is hospitality? Reimagine your guest experience with Talent Plus. Take your brand to the next level